Welcome back to Chef and Taste. Today I'm making crispy golden veg samosas in just 30 minutes. These are perfect for tea time or parties. Let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Toss in 1 cup of chopped onions. Saute until they turn translucent and fragrant. Did you know my videos are available in multiple languages? Choose your preferred language: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French and more. Add 1 cup of chopped cabbage. 1 cup of chopped capsicum for that slight crunch and sweetness. Half cup of chopped beans. Half cup of chopped carrots. A quarter cup of green peas. And quarter cup of sweet corn for a hint of natural sweetness. Mix these ingredients well. Make sure everything is evenly distributed for a balanced filling in every bite. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. This helps the vegetables release their moisture and cook evenly. See how beautifully these vegetables are getting cooked? They're softening but still retaining their texture. Add half teaspoon of lime juice for that subtle tangy flavor. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder for color. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust to your spice preference. And salt as per taste. Mix everything thoroughly so the spices coat every vegetable piece. The aroma right now is absolutely incredible. Keep on low flame for 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to blend perfectly. Add 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. Toss in half cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix well, ensuring the potatoes are evenly distributed throughout the vegetable mixture. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. This final cooking step helps everything come together beautifully. Give it one final mix. Your filling should be dry, not watery. This prevents soggy samosas. In a small bowl, prepare a slurry with a little water and flour. This will act as our natural glue to seal the samosas. Take your samosa patti. You can find these at any grocery store or make them from scratch. Fold the first triangle by bringing one corner to meet the opposite edge. This creates your cone shape. Keep folding in this triangular style. Make sure your folds are tight so the filling stays secure while frying. Now fill the cone generously with our vegetable mixture. Don't overstuff. We want a good filling to wrapper ratio. For another perfect tea time snack with a cheesy twist, check out my cheese sandwich recipe. Link is at the top right corner. Fold the patti carefully, ensuring the mixture doesn't escape. Seal it well. Apply the slurry along the edges. This moisture creates a perfect seal. Press gently to seal. Your samosa should feel tight and secure. Let your folded samosas rest for 5 minutes before frying. Heat oil on low-medium heat. Place the samosas one by one carefully. Deep fry till they turn golden brown and crispy. Don't rush this step. Medium heat ensures they cook evenly inside and out without burning. Turn them occasionally for even browning. Your perfectly crispy veg samosas are ready. For the best taste, serve hot with mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or tomato ketchup. Look at this. See how perfectly crispy and flaky the layers are? And that filling absolutely loaded with vegetables. If you loved this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more authentic Indian recipes every week. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.